forward tool. The forward tool is used to navigate forwards and backwards. To use this tool, we'll go over to the navigation wheel, and when I click on the navigation wheel, you'll notice that there is no forward. In order to get the forward tool, we must switch our navigation wheels. If I hit this down arrow underneath the navigation on the navigation bar, we see there's many versions of the steering wheels. I want to go to the basic tour building wheel. So we're going to tour the building. So when I go to basic tour, I get different commands. The one I want to use is the forward. I'll hold my left mouse button on. I got my left mouse button held down, and I'm going to click and drag it to where I want the pivot point, or the pivot point of where I want to see my forward tool go. I'm going to pick on these dormers here, and you can see now I get this pivot slider, and as I move the mouse wheel forward, I get closer to the object. As I drag the mouse wheel back, I'm holding my left mouse button down. As I slide it forward or ahead, I get closer to that pivot point. As I slide it back away, I get it further away. So wherever I place that pivot down is where it's zooming into or moving forward to. When I pull it back, it pulls it backwards away from that pivot point. So once again, I want to make sure I'm in the basic tour of the building. I click on the steering wheel. I'll click on forward. I'll come in and I'll click on one of the other dormer. And when I go forward, I get this pivot is marked. As I slide my mouse with my left mouse button held down closer or forward, I get it to move forward. As I slide it backwards, it comes backwards towards me, or zooms out away from that particular pivot point. So I slide my mouse, holding my left mouse button down and sliding it forward, I go forward. As I slide it backwards towards me, it goes backwards. And then I can let go of my mouse wheel and I get my steering wheel again. I can close my steering wheel by hitting the X button. And now I can hit escape and I'm right out of the command.